You are not unlike most men. But most men don't really have the time to deal with penis pills, pumps, and all the other enlargement methods that promise size gains. Many men definitely wouldn't mind a bump up in size but simply are not interested in investing in the common enlargement methods. Most of these methods, if they even work at all, usually require several weeks or even months to see results. There is an easier path to instant size. Here are 2 different tricks that you can use to make your penis bigger. These truly do make a huge difference and will work almost right away. Even if you have heard of these methods, there are a few tweaks which will make them unique and even more effective. We will start out with the method you may have heard about before. 1. Shaving the pubes. This refers to shaving the pubic hairs around the penis. It will make a huge difference in revealing larger size, and you will immediately see why if you have never tried this method before. It is very natural to have a mass amount of pubic hair cover the base of your penis. There is often so much coverage that your actual penis will appear to be an inch or more shorter than it really is. By getting rid of the pubes you reveal that extra inch and it can make a huge difference in appearance. Now the tweak on this method is that you don't have to totally shave your pubic hair, but rather you can just trim them down. For one thing, many men feel a bit nervous with a razor or electric shaver down near their privates. If you just take a scissor you can trim down the hairs. This serves another purpose as well. With shaving, it is obvious. Many women or other men see right away what you are up to. Look, that guy shaves his pubes because he wants to look larger. If you trim, then you end up leaving a layer or 2 of pubes, which makes everything look more natural. It doesn't appear as if you attempted to enlarge your appearance. It simply looks more natural. 2. Stroking the penis before sex or the shower. This may sound a little odd, but it really is common sense, and when done right it is very effective in bringing about instant size. The penis can and does get very scrunched up all day long when it is housed inside underpants. Various conditions such as cold air can also cause the appearance of shrinkage. Imagine going into the cold, damp locker room, preparing to take a shower. Naturally your penis is going to appear in a smaller sized state. Now if you were to go into a bathroom stall and simply stroke your penis for a minute, you would increase the blood flow and essentially wake it up and get it out of the small, scrunched up state. Of course you are not going for an erection, nor a semi-erection. You are just naturally lengthening the penis out by stroking it for a moment in the flaccid state. You are allowing some blood to flow and some length to be revealed. The real benefit to the flaccid stroke method is before sex. Obviously you would like to impress your partner with the biggest size possible. By giving yourself several strokes beforehand you will increase blood flow and appear as large as possible in the flaccid state. Male adult film stars are notorious for using the stroke method right before they are about to film a scene. They want to appear as big as possible to uphold the reputation of large-sized performers. Many of these guys are average size, but they employ tricks like stroking and shaving the pubic hairs in order to appear bigger than they really are. Now keep in mind, while these 2 methods work great, they aren't permanent size gain fixes. For that it is recommended you turn towards exercise methods such as jelqing and stretching. Unfortunately, unlike the above methods, these do take several weeks to work. But in the meantime you can always use these methods above to appear as large as possible. If you are interested in jelqing and stretching for larger and permanent penis size gains both in length and girth, then the best routine out there with good reviews for effectiveness tends to be this one.